and protect yourself from flying debris. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Cook County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Northern Will County in northeastern Illinois, until 12:30 a.m. At 9:29 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing rainfall rates up to 1 inch per hour moving into the central Chicago metro area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Elgin, Cicero, Hammond, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, and Wheaton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is